Sa bahagi po ng House Prosecution Panel ay tuloy-tuloy po yung aming paghahanda at yung pong mga definite timelines na ibinigay po ng Senate Impeachment Court, yung pong pre-trial proceedings sa gitna po ng Hunyo at yung pong start po ng trial ng July 6, no, ay pinaghahandaan po namin. So dito sa nakaraang mga araw, nagaganap na po yung mga mock trials para sa each and every article of impeachment. So nagsasanay na po yung pong mga public at yung pong mga volunteer private lawyers po namin para po dito. Minarapat din po ng House Prosecution Panel na hindi po mag-submit ng formal reply doon sa answer, non-answer ng ating pong pangalawang Pangulo. Ang isasubmit lang po ng House Prosecution Panel ay manifestation dahil tingin po namin wala naman pong sinagot kahit ano ang ating pong pangalawang Pangulo point per point doon po sa articles of impeachment na ibinigay sa kanya. So naghahanda ko kami towards pre-trial. Lahat po ng mga ebidensya ay pinipinal. Lahat po ng mga dokumento ay pinipinal. Lahat po ng mga witnesses ay mapipinal po para pag nagkaroon po ng pre-trial conference kasama po ng Senate Impeachment Court at ng kabilang panig ay handang-handa na po ang prosecution panel. Alam po niyo, our confidence on convicting the Vice President is not based on the numbers at the Senate or the leadership of the Senate. No? Our confidence on convicting the Vice President is based on the evidence itself. So, on the AMLAC reports, on the NBI reports, on each and every piece of evidence that is there for the senator judges to see during trial proper. So, magpalit man o hindi po yung liderato, I'm quite certain that we will be able to muster the numbers to convict the Vice President. We will get to 16, irrespective of who the leadership was or who the leadership is.
So do you think, so parang neutral kayo, you're not saying na this is a favorable development for the prosecution panel? Is it a favorable development that the leadership change?
But I think it's an extraneous matter that doesn't concern the prosecution panel. No, so we will present it based on the evidence. So whoever the presiding officer is, I think doesn't really matter to the panel itself. No? So kasi ang totoo naman, we will still have to convince each and every senator judge in the course of the proceedings. So the magic number is still 16, irrespective of who the Senate President is, irrespective of who the presiding officer is.